Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have something so excited to unbox. Oh my god guys, this is like the first time since high school that I try fragrance again. I stopped loving fragrance for quite some time and I just feeling to like it again. Anyway, today I'm gonna do a review of Miss Dior Perfume. This is kind of stupid. One of my friends sent me the video of Natalie Portman of this ad, and after that call me Miss Dior.
And you? What would you do for love?
And that's why I wanna be Miss Dior, and I went to the mall and bought it and I feel like, bitch, I need it so badly. And then I smell it and it's so fucking good. So I'm so excited to do this unboxing video. This is the priciest thing perfume that I ever bought. Oh my god, everything looks so much. Oh my god. It looks so... Bitch, I have nothing to say about this. It looks so amazing. And anyway, I bought a 150 ml. And the one I bought is the Perfume, the strongest one. And it's the priciest one. I don't know how much for 150 ml, but 3.4 ounces is like 135 bucks. Looks so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not my first impression, this is like second impression. It feels so girly, but it also has some kind of itchy sensation somehow. I want to jump off the cliff. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go out and spend my day and it's gonna be Miss Dior and I'm gonna jump off the cliff just like the video. Anyway guys, this is like a stupid unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy it and I like this perfume a lot. It's like it's reactivate my love and my passion for scent again. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. It's so scary how marketing can has the effect towards you, and this marketing is so fucking good, so I need to buy it. Oh my god.